Have you ever stared up at the night sky and felt a sense of profound silence? It's a common thought space is a vacuum, so sound can't travel, right? Well, what if I told you that the universe is anything but silent? Hidden in the cosmic void are vibrations, frequencies, and electromagnetic waves that, when translated by scientists, reveal some of the most haunting and downright terrifying sounds ever recorded. These aren't just random noises, they are the whispers, groans, and screams of the cosmos itself. So, how do we hear things in a place where sound, as we know it, can't exist? The secret lies in a fascinating process called data sonification. Think of it like this. Scientists take raw data from space, things like plasma activity, X-rays, radio signals, even gravitational waves, and convert that data into sound waves our ears can actually process. It's like giving the universe a voice. This method allows us to listen to celestial events in a way that feels both scientific and deeply unsettling, as if the cosmos is sharing its darkest secrets through static and distortion. It's a bit like translating a language we were never meant to understand. Throughout history, as our technology has advanced, space agencies like NASA have been on a mission to capture these otherworldly sounds, and some of the audio they've brought back is truly spine-chilling. Take Saturn, for example. We see it as a majestic planet with beautiful rings, but when we listen to its electromagnetic field, it hums with an eerie, electrical chorus. It sounds less like a planet and more like a massive, alien machine humming in the darkness. Then there's our own home planet, Earth's magnetosphere. The magnetic shield that protects us from solar radiation isn't silent either. When it's bombarded by solar wind streams of charged particles from the sun, it crackles, whistles, and groans under the assault. It sounds like a cosmic battle happening just above our heads, a constant struggle that we are completely oblivious to. It's the sound of our planet defending itself, and it's both beautiful and terrifying. But the sounds get even stranger. Imagine a comet hurtling through the solar system. As it passes, its interaction with the solar wind creates a signal that, when converted to audio, resembles a ghostly wail. It's a long, mournful cry that seems to drift endlessly through the void. It's the kind of sound you'd expect to hear in a horror movie, not from a chunk of ice and rock millions of miles away. It's a lonely, haunting melody that perfectly captures the desolate beauty of deep space. Now, let's talk about black holes. The very idea of them is terrifying enough. Points of infinite density, where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. For a long time, scientists thought they were completely silent. But in 2022, NASA released a sonification of a supermassive black hole at the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster. The result? A deep, guttural growl. It's a low-frequency rumble that vibrates through your very core, the sound of a cosmic monster lurking in the dark. It's not just noise, it's the pressure waves from the black hole rippling through the surrounding gas, and it's been doing this for billions of years. Perhaps the most mind-bending sound of all comes from an event that happened long before our planet even formed. When two black holes collide, they send out ripples in the fabric of spacetime itself, known as gravitational waves. In 2015, the LIGO Observatory detected these waves from a collision that occurred over 1 billion light-years away. When scientists converted this signal into sound, it produced a quick, rising chirp. It's a faint, fleeting sound, but think about what it represents. The echo of a cataclysmic event so violent it shook the universe, traveling for billions of years just to reach us. It's a chilling reminder of the immense timescales and violent nature of the cosmos. One of the most important missions for capturing these cosmic symphonies was NASA's Cassini probe. It spent 13 years orbiting Saturn, and its sensitive instruments were designed to detect the intricate electromagnetic interactions between the planet, its rings, and its moons. Cassini didn't just take pictures, it listened. It translated the plasma waves in Saturn's environment into audio, giving us what scientists poetically call the sound of Saturn's rings. These recordings are unlike anything on Earth. They are a collection of strange, pulsating whistles, crackles, and ethereal tones. It sounds almost biological, as if Saturn itself is alive and communicating in a language of electricity and magnetism. Let's listen to another one from Jupiter. NASA's Juno spacecraft has been orbiting the gas giant, flying through its powerful auroras. The sounds it captured are equally unnerving. They are a chaotic mix of screeching, sea-feel-like zaps, and deep drones. It is the sound of particles from the sun being funneled into Jupiter's atmosphere at incredible speeds, creating the most intense light show in the solar system. Listening to it feels like you're flying directly into an electrical storm of planetary proportions. These discoveries completely shatter our perception of space as a silent, empty place. It's not. It's a dynamic, noisy, and sometimes terrifying environment. From the haunting wails of comets to the monstrous growls of black holes, the scariest sounds in space remind us that the universe is far more mysterious, vast, and active than we can ever fully comprehend. These sounds challenge us to confront the unknown, to listen carefully to the data, and to accept that even in what we perceive as silence, the cosmos is anything but quiet. It is filled with voices we are only just beginning to hear. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember that you're not just looking at silent, twinkling lights. You're looking at a universe that is humming, crackling, groaning, and screaming with the energy of creation and destruction. And thanks to science, we have a front row seat to the most terrifying and awe-inspiring concert in existence. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the sounds of the cosmos. If you found this as fascinating and chilling as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe. Let me know in the comments which sound you found the most unsettling. See you in the next video.